Welcome to Spirit VPOS. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss till management. From the table screen, click on the menu button to open the left side menu. Then, go to System Management and select Till Management. This will take you to the Tills Management screen. Where you can view all the details of your existing tills. Creating a new till. To create a new till, click on the Create New Till button in the top right corner. A pop-up will appear showing the default till number. Next, select the terminal from the drop-down menu and choose the location. Finally, click Save, and your new till will be created successfully. Managing existing tills. From the Action button, you can check the assigned terminals. Under Configuration, you can edit the till details as needed. And that's it. This is how you can easily manage tills in Spirit VPOS.